Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your country on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, to change your country and region, you just need to access your account settings, and you should very easily be able to locate the settings from there. Now, what you want to do on the web version is hover over orders and account, and sadly, I'm not sure why this is the case, but you do not have the access to it from this menu, but that doesn't matter. You just need to go into your menu. From here, just click on orders and account, and that's going to take you where you need to go. That's going to take you to your orders tab. But if we scroll down, as you'll see here, you have your country, region, and language. And once you click on that, as you'll see, country and region is one of the options which you can change. As you can see, currently I'm set up for the United Kingdom, but if I clicked on this, it'll take me to this menu right over here. Now, what you want to do, locate whichever region you want to change to, for example, United States, and click on it. And then once you switch to United States, click on this button. It'll automatically change you to that region. It'll automatically change the language if the language of that region is different from your one that you're currently on. And it'll also change the currency to whichever currency the region uses. Now, I won't change to it since that's going to log me out, but pretty much that's all you need to do. Now, on the mobile version, it is slightly different. However, it is very similar even still. What you need to do once you're on the home page of the mobile version, in the bottom of your screen, you'll see a tab that says You, so just click on that. Then in the top right, you'll see a hexagonal gear icon, click on that, and then you'll see the country and region settings pretty much near the top, right under your payment methods, and that's pretty much it. And that's seriously all there is to it. It's a very simple process to do. It is very quick. It takes literally only 5 seconds. You don't have to do anything except click a few buttons, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.